Alfred Kobacker here with MC Stands and a quick discussion on selecting a rear stand. Most rear stands lift the bike and support it by the swing arm. There are two common types of motorcycle construction: dual-sided swing arm and single-sided swing arm. If you have examples of each, you will need two rear stands, as there are no rear stands on the market that will accommodate both single and dual swing arm bikes. In this video, we'll talk about stands for dual swing arm bikes. There are two ways to lift a dual swing arm bike. Unless one is using the CycleCat UCS1 stand, both methods of lifting first require holding the bike in a vertical position. Some are able to do this single-handedly, but most require a second person or the use of a block serving as a shim under the side stand. Care should be used if employing a block under the side stand, as a bump or push on the side of the bike can easily cause it to fall. The preferred method of engaging the swing arm is through the use of spools, also referred to as bobbins. Spools attached to the swing arm through a threaded hole, typically placed in the swing arm or attached to it by the manufacturer. The spools are attached as shown. For more info on spools, please see the spools video. The stands for use with spools typically have a fitting looking like this. The fitting engages the spool, and when the handle is pushed down, or forward in some cases, the bike will be lifted and supported. Bikes not having spools or threaded holes for the use of spools can be lifted using a fitting resembling this one. This fitting rests under the swing arm at a point providing clearance for parts of the bike that may represent obstructions, such as brake calipers, cables, etc. The underswing arm lifting method is somewhat less secure than the spool method, as the pegs that rest under the swing arm can roll off their primary location and in some cases may not rest securely under the swing arm. The underswing arm method is best with swing arms that have flat bottom surfaces. Some rear stands provide conversion from spool to underswing arm use. In addition, the width of swing arms varies. Look for rear stands that provide adjustability in width or take measurements in advance to ensure the rear stand will work with your bike. Apart from the method of contact with the swing arm, important rear stand considerations are weight, stability, leverage, and appearance. MC Stands provides insight into these various considerations. Look in the stand descriptions and in the pros and cons section of the individual listings.